It's Ramadan currently, and I can tell you there are so many doctors out there telling you to drink all the time, to eat all the time. What if I told you that actually Ramadan-style fasting, now I'm saying it as it is Ramadan, it really fits the timeline right now, is actually incredibly healthy. And I want to talk about the 5 incredible benefits of fasting in Ramadan. Everyone watching and fasting themselves right now, well, Ramadan Mubarak, and I want to get straight into it because it's always fascinating when you can see that religion can be brought in alignment with actual science. Stay locked in until the very end because I am holding back the most incredible, game-changing discovery from cutting-edge research in terms of health in Ramadan. So let's get straight into it. It might just be the reason to embrace this practice actually, whether you are Muslim and watching this or not. So let's get straight into it, into Ramadan, which is actually all rooted in rigorous human data and randomized control trials. Benefit number 1, and I'm telling you it gets more surprising and more mind-blowing as we are progressing in that video. Number 1, as always, I'll leave you the sources down below in the video description. Melt away fat while sculpting a stronger physique. Yes, meta-analyses of Ramadan fasting show clear reductions in body weight, BMI, body mass index, and also in body subcutaneous and visceral fat mass, including, yes, the stubborn visceral fat, the belly fat, the fat wrapped around the organs. Yes, this is reducing during Ramadan if you are doing it correctly. Often with preserved lean muscle mass. Yes, you are not necessarily losing muscle mass when you are doing dry fasting, which Ramadan is intermittent dry fasting if you really want to put it into a scientific wording, right? Your body flips the switch to efficient fat burning mode during those dry hours. Watch the transformation happen completely naturally while you are of course saving calories, saving time, saving money, and of course if you are doing it for religious reasons, also going after your duty. Well, number 2, douse the flames in your chronic inflammation. And most of us, most of the people watching this have chronic inflammation, and actually studies on dawn to dusk dry fasting report sharp drops in key culprits like IL-6, interleukin 6, which is an inflammation marker, TNF-alpha, and HS-CRP, which is the very sensitive CRP marker, which is also an inflammation marker, especially in those carrying extra weight. So if you have extra weight, that's even more benefits for you if you're doing that. Actually, 1 day dry fast is equivalent to like 4 days of water fasting, right? I'm talking about 24-hour dry fast, whereas Ramadan is of course usually less than 24 hours as it's from dusk to dawn. But powerful, right? Chronic inflammation is behind so many issues. This practice hits pause on these issues, letting your system actually recover and thrive. And that is beautiful. And number 3, and I'm telling you guys, stay here for 4 and especially for number 5, which is the most mind-blowing of them all, and it might give you this extra strength to go through your Ramadan. And if you are considering doing it next time, maybe this will motivate you. Well, number 3, unleash autophagy. Ladies and gentlemen, your cells are powerful self-repair system if you let them to. Actually, direct human research during Ramadan fasting reveals massive upregulation of autophagy genes. LAMP2 is exploding over 4 times higher, and LC3B nearly doubling, and also ATG5 significantly increased. I am leaving you the studies down below. If this sounds Chinese to you and you want to research it a little bit further, it's all in the description down below. Actually, damaged cell parts get recycled while you're not eating, while you're not drinking, and cleared out like a professional deep cleaning, promoting longevity and your vitality from within. Without adding anything, you are switching on that switch for your body to recover and repair themselves. If dry fasting or Ramadan is not for you, I made a video about how to conduct a proper 5-day water-only fast, incredibly powerful. This one is popping up on top of the screen right now if you want to do it for health reasons, not for religious reasons. And now, number 4, before we go into number 5, the most powerful one of them all: optimize your metabolism and protect your heart. Ladies and gentlemen, clinical evidence confirms enhanced insulin sensitivity, steadier blood sugar, better lipid profiles with lower triglycerides and better LDL cholesterol to triglyceride level, and also you have reductions in your blood pressure, especially for those starting up with the high blood pressure already. Well, if you ever did Ramadan starting with high blood pressure, you probably saw it coming down. It's a full system tune-up that slashes cardiometabolic risk. Now for the fifth benefit and the absolute wildest benefit that explains why you need to watch through here. Let's get into it. And before we are getting into it, I wanted to tell everyone, because I really want everyone to get this piece of information. Not only the fasting itself is important, it is important how you break the fast. If you go over to McDonald's and you shovel in some slop, well, you cancel out some of the benefits you actually worked for. So make sure you're breaking your fast properly. If you want to break it with dates, beautiful. If you want to break it with some healthy whole foods, pasture raised, grass-fed, grass-finished meat, fish, vegetables, fruits, all of that is amazing. If you want to put even more emphasis behind the fast, you can make it a ketogenic breaking of the fast without carbohydrates, right? But that is not a necessity. But for sure, avoid processed food, avoid the slop like the plague. That's just what I wanted to tell you. And now let's go to number 5. In a study published in Metabolism Open, 14 participants with metabolic syndrome underwent 4 weeks of strict dawn to dusk dry fasting. So you could basically call that they went into a Ramadan-like fasting. Well, the result, a profound reprogramming of their immune cells. Proteome, peripheral blood mononuclear cells showed downregulated proteins driving atherosclerosis and tumor promotion, including a significant drop in apolipoprotein B, a key marker for longevity, which you want to have low. Also, tumor suppressor proteins skyrocketed, one by an average by 19-fold. That is proteins which suppress tumor growth. It skyrocketed by 19-fold, which is your protection. Overall, it created anti-atherosclerotic, anti-inflammatory, and anti-tumorigenic effects that lingered even after breaking the fast. So you have the benefits while the fast and furthermore afterwards. It's literally life extending if done correctly. Mind-blowing cellular defense activation. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know, have you ever done Ramadan? Are you considering doing it? Have you ever done water fast or dry fast? Actually, there is a video tutorial about water fast popping up right here. And of course, subscribe to the channel right here. And as always, guys, bye.